Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the low volume issue on your Anbernic RG556 console. First of all, try physically checking your device's speakers. They are located on the bottom edge of your both grips, so here and here. Try using a soft brush to remove all the debris, all the dirt, all the dust that can be stuck inside of them. Do not use any metallic tools, that's for sure. This can damage your device. So yeah, if you're using if anything else, then soft brush, then try using some kind of maybe toothpick or anything like this, or like a pin but not a metallic one. And if this doesn't help you, then go to settings, check your sound and vibration settings, and here make sure that all of these sliders are moved to the right. If you want to increase your sound volume, of course you have to move one of the sliders to the very right, and then check how your speakers work after that. Also, in the same menu, you can check for do not disturb modes. Try turning it off and see if it improves your sound quality or sound volume level. And if this doesn't help you, then you should try first swiping to the very last page of your device's screen and update your device by tapping the system update. Check for new version, and if there is an update prepared for your device, then of course take your time and install it on your console. If there is not, then let's go with the further troubleshooting steps. The next reason why your sound volume might be low is because of some third party or some background activity interference, and in such case you're gonna have to hold down the power button for a while. Yeah, you're gonna have to enter the safe mode, and in safe mode there are no third-party applications that affect the way that your speakers behave. And to enter the safe mode, hold down the power button, then hold your finger down on power off option until you see this notification. And once you see this notification, press OK and wait until your device is restarted. And then try checking your sound volume quality once again. If it improved, then check for any application that could have caused this. First of all, in settings, so you can go to apps menu. You can find recent applications that your device has been using, and then tap on one of these applications and either tap disable or force stop, or you can also check this device's permissions and disable and disallow the permissions to your music and audio. Or alternatively, you can just go to the very bottom of the settings list, select system, and in system select reset options, then reset app preferences. Tap reset apps and wait until your apps are reset. This will not remove any of your apps, or nor will it remove any data from them. It will just reset their notification settings, or their settings generally, and their permissions. And once you do that, reboot your device into normal mode by holding down the power button for a while and selecting restart option on the screen. And that's basically it. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.